It's an issue which divides the United States. Should same-sex couples have the same right to marry that heterosexual couples do? Now, the highest court in the country says it will give its opinion. In this election year, people in 3 more states voted to allow gay marriage, meaning that 9 states either already do or soon will allow gay couples to wed. But in 31 other states, it's banned. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear 2 cases. One about benefits for those already married, and one to do with California's Proposition 8, which bans same-sex marriages.
I expect 4 or 5 justices to uphold Proposition 8. Why? Because the Constitution of the United States doesn't have marriage in it. And the 10th Amendment says what's not in the federal powers belongs to the states.
But campaigners reject this conclusion. One rights lawyer told Al Jazeera that it has taken a long time for gay couples to get to this point.
We had hoped that the decisions of the lower courts would stand and that couples could begin marrying in California almost immediately. There are so many couples who have been waiting for that day, but clearly we will have to wait just a little bit longer to see what the Supreme Court has to say.
This is not the first time the Supreme Court has had to rule on relationships. A judgment in 1967 finally made marriage between black and white couples legal across the country. The president's own parents were not allowed to wed in many southern states.
I think same-sex couples should be able to get married.
Barack Obama is the first US leader to support gay marriage. The final decision now rests with the Supreme Court justices. Dominic, Kane, Al Jazeera.